Okay, so welcome. What I want to do is show you how to find the value of I to the 67th power. Sounds like fun, right? All right, so what we want to do is we want to remember why we even come up with I. Well, we came up with I for the imaginary number system because we didn't have a value for the square root of -1, so we denoted it I, which is going to be our imaginary. Then what we did was we multiplied by I on both sides, and we got I squared was equivalent to -1. Then we kept on multiplying by I, and we got an I cubed is equal to -I, and I to the 4th we represented as 1. And what happened when I kept on multiplying by I on both sides, what you notice is this pattern repeats every single 4th term. Or I mean, this pattern just repeats. So the next term is going to be I, then I, -1, -I, and 1, and it just keeps on repeating. So to find the value of I to the 67th, what I need to do is I need to divide it by 4 and determine what the remainder is. If my remainder is 1, then I have I to the 1st power, which is equal to square root of -1. If I have a remainder of 2, then it's equivalent to I squared, which is equal to -1. If I have a remainder of 3, it's equivalent to I cubed, which equals -I. And if I have a remainder of I to the 4th, that means it still divides into it evenly, which will have a remainder of 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide 67 divided by 4. And I notice that goes in there 16 times, which is going to give me 64. So when I take 67 divided by 4, I get 16. Get 16, which gives me 4 times 16 equals 63. Leaving me, I'm 64. Leaving me with a remainder of 3. So I to the 67 is equivalent to I cubed, which is equivalent to -I. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped you out as far as your understanding of simplifying I. Make sure you subscribe, ask questions. Thanks.